Hi, and thank you for listening to Kyle and Dan's presentation on our app VocabViews, the vocabulary education app. This app was created to address the vocab gap found between high income and low income learners, which is about 30 million words by the age of 5. So we wanted this app to be easy to use, we wanted it to be fun, we wanted it to be flexible. We wanted teachers to be able to adapt this app to whatever their lesson plan is. So here are some of these SketchUps of the home screen and the chapter interface. So the goal behind VocabViews is that a teacher creates a list of words, a vocab list, and students have the chance to add visual imagery to each vocab word to create kind of a class brainstorm. So here would be where students find the chapters. We want it to be really icon heavy so that ELL learners and English and elementary school learners could both use this. Here would be the chapter interface. So you have the different words right here. You can select between them, and then here is the class list. We have the like or heart icon to create some gamification incentive for students. And then students would go into this and they could add, they'd click this to add a picture. They could upload something or look up an image on Google. They could upload from their computer, or they could record a video to help them really make sense of each of the vocab words. Once we move forward with this, one of the goals would be to create a quiz interface for practice quizzes and regular quizzes, and then include that gamification piece. How many of your submissions for each of the student submissions got likes, to create that kind of incentive to really try your hardest. Moving forward, I'd like to see a kind of community for this so that teachers could just look up, To Kill a Mockingbird vocab lists, and they help students understand that. But so far, this is where we have it. Thank you so much for listening. You have a great day.